Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. So, today is your English grammar and composition class. Okay? First of all, take your English grammar and composition book. Then take one pencil, sharpener, eraser, some sketch pens and scale. Okay? Now, take your English grammar notebook. Open your English grammar book and come to the chapter 2, parts of a sentence, subject and predicate. Earlier you had done the reading part. Okay. Now today we will do some exercise of this chapter. Okay. Now open your English grammar notebook and write down the date, which is 6/8/2021. Write down classwork and write down day, which is Friday, Friday, Friday. Then write the chapter name, PARTS, parts, of, SENTENCE, sentence, parts of a sentence. Now underline this. Now first write down the one and write down subject, SUBJECT, subject. Okay, underline this. Now write down the definition of the subject. The person, person or thing, SPOKEN, spoken about, in bracket NOUN, noun, part. It is called a subject. Okay. Underline this subject. Now write down 2 and write PREDICATE, predicate. Underline this. And write down the definition. WHAT, what is SAID, sad, about, THE, the person or thing, in bracket verb part, in bracket close. Okay, it is called predicate, PREDICATE, predicate. Now underline this. Okay. Now come to the next page. And write down exercise, EXERCISEX, exercise. Now underline about subject and predicate in the sentences. Then write 1. KANGAROOS kangaroos. JUMP jump. Okay. Now make a box of subject and predicate. SUBJECT subject and write down predicate PREDICATE. Okay. Now the subject is kangaroo. Okay. KANGAROOS kangaroos. Now the predicate is jump. JUMP jump. Okay. Now write down 2. TINA Tina. CAME came. HOME home at 5 p.m. Tina came home at 5 p.m. Then write subject. The subject is Tina. TINA Tina and write down predicate. PREDICATE predicate. Okay. And the predicate is CAME came home at 5 p.m. Okay. Now write down 3. This mango is the king of fruits. Okay, now write down subject and write down predicate. The subject is this mango. Okay, MANGO mango. Now the predicate is is the king of fruits. Okay. Now write down 4. DELHI Delhi. METRO metro is a fast mode of transport. Write down subject. SUBJECT subject and then write down predicate. Now the subject is Delhi Metro. Okay, and the predicate is a fast mode of transport. TRANSPORT transport. Okay. Now come to the first page. Subject. The person or thing spoken about, noun part. It is called subject. It means जिस पर्सन के बारे में या कोई चीज़ के बारे में हम बात कर रहे होते हैं उसको बोला जाता है सब्जेक्ट। और वो भी क्या होता है? नाउन पार्ट। नाउन पार्ट में क्या आता है? द नेम ऑफ द पर्सन, रीता, श्याम, अनिल, ओके, एंड द animal's name, lion, tiger, whatever, okay, and the place name, place is Delhi, Mumbai, country's name America, Australia, okay, whatever it is, noun part it is called subject। कुछ भी जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे होते हैं वो नाउन पार्ट होना चाहिए, उसको बोलते हैं सब्जेक्ट। प्रेडिकेट वो होता है व्हाट इज सेड अबाउट द पर्सन और थिंग। वर्ब पार्ट इट इज कॉल्ड प्रेडिकेट, जिसके बारे में हम क्या बात कर रहे होते हैं उस बारे में, इसके बारे में, चाहे वो कोई पर्सन हो, थिंग हो, एनिमल हो, कोई कंट्री हो, या फिर कोई प्लेस हो, या फिर कोई बुक हो, किसी के बारे में हम क्या बात कर रहे होते हैं वो होता है प्रेडिकेट। ओके, नाउ first is kangaroo jump. Now kangaroo is the animal, so the subject is kangaroo jump. Jump is a verb, okay. Now predicate is jump. Second is Tina came home at 5 p.m. Tina, it is a name, okay. So subject is Tina and predicate is came home at 5 p.m. Okay, now third is this mango is the king of fruits. Now subject is this mango. Mango is a fruit, okay. So fruit is also come under the noun part, okay. And the predicate is the king of fruits. Delhi metro is the fast mode of transport. Delhi metros is a subject, okay, and the predicate is the fast mode of transport. Okay, now you have to do all the work in your English grammar copy and send to me before 2 p.m. Otherwise you will be marked absent. Okay students, bye bye, take care and have a good day.